Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Now we have another unboxing here and we'll see what it is. Right. Nicely wrapped. Now nicely bubble wrapped. Okay, here we go. Oh wow, okay. This is actually ancient coins bought in the auction recently. It's two old coins. You can see it's 272 AD and it's an Aurelian coin. See, it's a little worn, but you can still see the details. Nice still. Still looks nice, eh? 272 AD Aurelian, and so is this one. See here, 272 AD. This one is nicer than the other ones. You can still see the letterings and the portrait properly. Oh, nice coins. Lovely, okay? Thank you very much, and I hope you all have a good day.